Hi, today we are going to see the Falastuti from 11 to 20. Na Vasudeva Bhaktanam Ashubham Vidyade Kvachit Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Bhayam Naivopajayate. So, the Falastuti means when we recite the Vishnu Sahasranamam, what all good things will happen due to the reciting Vishnu Sahasranamam. So we should always know that we get something if we do something. We always ask like that. Okay, I will do this, but what will I get? What will I be benefited if I do this? We always think that. So these are the things that we achieve in reciting Vishnu Sahasranamam. Na Vasudeva Bhaktanam means Vasudeva is Bhagavan. Bhaktanam. Bhakti means devotion. Na Vasudeva Bhaktanam. If I am a true devotee of Vasudeva Bhagavan, Ashubham Vidyade Kvachit, I will not get any Ashubha. Ashubha means, Shubha means all the fortune, all the goodness, all the luck. Ashubha means all the bad things. So, na Vasudeva Bhaktanam. So, if you are not a devotee, then you will have Ashubha. So, we have to negate it. If we are a good devotee of Vasudeva Bhagavan, so all the good things will happen to me. The devotees of Vasudeva the Great never fall into days that are difficult. That is, no inauspicious things can happen to a devotee of Vasudeva. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Bhayam Naivopajayate. Janma means the life. That means we are born to a certain life now. Mrityu means death. So, the time between the birth and death, that is what our life is now. We are in the place where we are in between birth and death. So, during this time, Jara Vyadhi Bhayam. Jara means aging. Everybody will get age. But Jara means the aging that happens to the mind. We should be matured in the thought, in the actions, in the deeds and everything. In the words, what all things we speak. Those maturity should be there. We will attain it through Vishnu Sahasranamam. Vyadhi Bhayam. Vyadhi means disease. Bhayam means scared. So we need not be scared of any disease. Naivopajayate. So Naivopajayate means we will never suffer of birth, death, old age and fear. We will be free of all these fear things. We will be free of all these things that will make us restlessness. So the person will conquer the cycle of birth, death, fear and disease. So once we are done with Vishnu Sahasranama recitation, every day we will attain to a level where we will attain the moksha after the death. So we need not again come to this world in different janmas. That's why Bhagavan is helping us get in the moksha. Imam stava madhiyana. Imam stava madhiyana. Shraddha bhakti samanvidaha yujje tattvam sukhakshanti Sridradhi smriti kirtibihi imam stava madhiyana. Madhi means buddhi. So we will go beyond what we think. And if we sing the names of Bhagavan with devotion, Shraddha Bhakti Samanda. Shraddha means carefully, with following the rules. Bhakti means devotion. Samanvida. Samanvida means equally treating the names of Bhagavan with devotion and purity and following the rules. If we do that, Yujve Tatma Sukha Kshanti Sri Smriti Kirtibhi. So we will be blessed with the pleasure. What kind of pleasure? We will have a patience, Shanti. Shanti means peace of mind. Sukha, Shanti. Sukha means pleasure. So, Yuje Tatam. So we will be blessed with Sukham, pleasure. Shanti means the peace of mind. Sri. Sri means all the fortune and wealth we need. Dhridi, Smriti, Kirtibi. Smriti means memory to excel anything. We should be having a good memory power to make that the knowledge we gain should retain in the brain. So we should have that memory power. That is Smriti. And Dradi, Shri Dradi Smriti Kirtibi. Kirtibi means popularity. We will have bravery. So when we sing the names with devotion and with bhakti, we will get the pleasure, the greatest pleasure. We will get the patience to allure. We will get the wealth to attract and bravery and memory to excel, which we can attain through the Vishnu Sahasranamam. That means Bhagavan will give us or bless us to those who read his hymn every day with devotion and attention, and they will attain the peace of mind, prosperity, patience, mental stability, memory, and reputation. These all are the things we are all striving for these days to attain. These can be easily attained through this Vishnu Sahasranamam. Na krodho na malsaryam na lobho na shubhamatihi bhavanti krida punyanam bhaktanam purushottame. Na krodho. Krodham means anger. We will never be angry when we recite Vishnu Sahasranamam. Na Matsaryam means we will have no bad thoughts. Na lobho. We will not take any bad decision. Na shubhamadi. We will always be blessed with fortune. Bhavandi krita punyanam. So we will be a blessed soul. Punyana means blessed. That means pure. We are lucky. We will be lucky enough. Bhavanti krida. We will be blessed with a good life. Bhaktanam purushottame. Only if we do the Sahasranamam and Sloka with devotion to the Purushottam. And Bhakta means devotion. Nam means with devotion. Purushottame. Purushottaman means Bhagavan, who has the good qualities in himself. That means Such a person who is a great true devotee of Bhagavan will not be caught by any anger, binding, jealousy, or any inauspicious event. Such a bhakta or the true devotee become a punyatma and merges with the Purushottama or supreme being. That means the devotee of Lord Purushottama has neither anger nor fear, nor avarice or nor bad thoughts. They will be a punyatma, pure soul. Soul. Next one. Dyosancha Draka nakshatra kam disho bhurmaho didihi vasudevasya viryena vidrudhani mahatmanah dau sa chandra nakshatra means Bhagavan is given us the sun. Thou, he is given us. Sa means with. Chandra means moon. Arka means sun. Nakshatra means stars. So Bhagavan is blessing us with all sun, moon and the stars. Kam disho bhur mahodadhi means he has given us the sky, the sea, the directions and the world. Disha means all the directions. Bhur means the world. Maho means the great. Dadhi means the sky. So we have been blessed with sun, moon, stars, sky, sea, directions, everything by Bhagavan. Vasudevyasya viryena. And we are being created by the Vasudeva or the Bhagavan with all the value for us. So we are all great valor or brave. Vidruthani mahatmanah. That means we are the creation of. Mana means mind. Mahat means great. Great mind of Bhagavan. So all this world of sun and stars, moon and sky, sea and the directions are but born by the valor, the great of the great God Vasudeva. Means we have been blessed with all these by the great Bhagavan, but we should never forget to remember Bhagavan. We should always remember Bhagavan every time because he is creating everybody and he has given us everything. Sa sura sura gandharvam sa yaksho raga rakshasam jagadvashe vartatedham krishnasya sacharacharam sa sura sura gandharvam. So sa means with. Sura means Bhagavan. Asura means the devil. So, Sura Gandharva means Bhagavan has created God for everything. And Gandharva. And he has created Gandharvas. And he has created Asura, Rakshasa. And Sa Yaksho Raga Rakshasam. He has created the Nagas or the snakes, Rakshasa and everything. Jagadvashe. Jagat means universe. Dvashe means the things that moves. And he has created things that doesn't move. everything. Vartatedam. He has created before, he is creating now, and he will create later. Krishnasya Sacharacharam. That is all created by Krishna Bhagavan. Sacharacharam. Charam means will move. Acharam means it will not move. So all the movable and immovable things beings are all created by Bhagavan. That means all this word which moves and which does not move, which has Deva, Rakshasa, Gandharvas, Asura, Nagas, is all created by Lord Vishnu and without any fail. That means they have been created for a specific reason. Indriyani mano buddhi sattvam tejo balam drudihi Vasudevatmana Kanya Kshetram Kshetraknya Evaja. Indriyani means, Indriyam means all emotions that we have from the mind. Mano Buddhi. Buddhi means the ability to think. Mano means from the mind. So we take actions, either we follow the mind or emotions, or we follow the intelligence or the knowledge. Sattvam Tejo Balam Druti means all the sattvam. Sattvam means beings, all the limbs. Balam Druti has been created with lot of strength and bravery. Vasudevatma. Atma means soul. So Vasudeva created all the souls. Kanyahu Kshetram Kshetraknya Evaja. And Eva means one. Evaja means by one. And Bhagavan has created Kanyahu, have been creating from the time it is forming Kshetram Kshetraknya. Kshetra means where we consider as a holy thing. That is the pure, the place where it is so much of pure is called Kshetra. So Bhagavan has been created each and every being as a pure soul. All the other emotions will come and mix up. Then we start thinking of adharma. So when Bhagavan created us, we have been created as a pure soul. So the learned ones, all the Jnanigal will say that all the limbs, mind, wisdom and thought, and also strength, bravery, body and soul are all full of Vasudeva, is all Bhagavan himself. Sarvagamanamachara pradhamam parikalpade ajara prabhavo dharmo dharmasya pradhurachyutaka. Sarvagamanamachara means all. Sarvam means all. Gamanam means which flows or which moves. Acharam. Acharam means rules. So everything rules, everything moves according to the rules of Bhagavan. Prathamam parikalpade. Prathama means from the first. Parikalpade. Kalpade means by the order of Bhagavan. Everything follows rule of life, was first born by the Bhagavan. Ajara prabhavo dharmo. Ajara means by step following rules. Prabhavo. Prabhu means Bhagavan. With Bhagavan, the first dharma came. The rules of dharma, how we should live. Dharmasya prabhur achyuda. Chuda means destruction. Achyuta means who has no destruction, that is Bhagavan. Prabhu Achyuta. Prabhu means Bhagavan. So Bhagavan does not have any destruction. Dharmasya. Bhagavan started the rules of Dharma. The rule of life was born, and from it came Dharma, and from it came the Achyudadi Bhagavan. So all the scripts or the scriptures consider right conduct as the foremost requisite. We all follow the scripts for all the rules. We check them. So dharma is based upon the right conduct, and dharma, Achyuta is the master. Bhagavan is the master for all the dharma that has been created first before the life started. ऋषयः देव महाभूतानि धादवः जङ्गमं चेदं जगन्नारायणोद्भवम्. ऋषय Pitaro Deva. Rishaya means all the sages. Pitara, Pita means ancestors. Deva means all the gods. So, sages, ancestors, gods have all been created by Bhagavan. Mahabhudhani Dadhava. That means to create any element on the earth, we need 5 basic elements. All these 5 elements have been created by Bhagavan. All the great elements. Bhudham. Bhuda means the beings. Mahabhuda means to create the Bhudam. We need 5 elements. Dadhava. These are all being granted by Bhagavan. Jagan. Jangamam chedam. Jangamam means all the pleasures. And Jangamam means Jangamam. Jangama means all the pleasures. And Jangamam means the luck. Chedam. And which things that moves, all has been created by Bhagavan. Jagan Narayanodbhavam. Jagam means the universe. Jagan Narayana means who has been created the universe. That is Bhagavan. Bhavam means he created all these things. That means all the sages, all the ancestors, all the devas, all the 5 elements, all the pleasures, all the legs, all that moves, all that does not move, all came from the only one great Narayana, the Rishis, Pitru, Deva, great elements, and in fact all moving and unmoving constituting the universe have been originated from the Narayana. So that's why the Vishnu Sahasranamam is that much important, that it gives us these many things. Yogo Jnanam Tadha Sankhyam Vidya Shilpadi Karmaja Veda Shastrani Vijnana Etat Sarvam Janardhanad. Yoga Jnanam. Jnanam means the knowledge. Yoga Jnanam means the art of yoga and all the knowledge. Tada Sankhyam means all the science of Sankhya. Sankhya means numbers. All the number science. Vidya Shilpadi Karmaja. Vidya means all the knowledge. Shilpam means the sculpture. And Karmaja and all the ways of how to we live. All the karma means the deeds that each stages of life should follow. All these have been given by Bhagavan. Veda Shastrani. Veda, all the Vedas, and Shastra means science. Vijnana Edat Sarvam. Vijnana means the science and the knowledge. Sarvam means everything. Janardhana have been given to us by the Janardhanan or the Bhagavan. Janardhanan means Janam. Janam means who has the power to give birth. And he is Bhagavan. So the art of yoga, the science of Sankhya or the numbers, the treasure of knowledge, the divine art of sculpture and all the Vedas and science and all came from the Bhagavan. The yoga, jnana, sankhya, science, art, work, Veda, sculpture, spiritual illumination all have been originated from our Bhagavan. Ego Vishnur Mahadbhudham Pradar Bhudanyanikashaha Trilokan Vyapya Bhudhatma Bhukte Vishwabhujang Vyayaka. Ego Vishnur Mahadbhudham. Bhagavan is many, but only one ultimate Bhagavan. He, Ega means one. Vishnu means Bhagavan. So there is only one Bhagavan, Mahat Bhudam, who is taking the infinite creation. And he is being created infinitely. Pradar Bhudanya Nekashaka. Pradar means he is dividing himself. And he is existing in all the beings. Bhagavan is existing in us, in our soul, in our mind. Pitra means as an ancestor. Bhuda means beings. Nya Keshaha. He has been dividing himself and is existing. Trilokyan Vyapya means on all the three worlds. Trilokan. Three means three. Lokan means world. On the three worlds, Vyapa, he has been spreaded in all the three worlds. Bhudhatma. Bhuda means being. Atma means soul. So he has been in all the beings that he created as a soul. So our soul is Bhagavan. Bhukte Vishwa Puga Vyayaka. That means he is there in us by ruling us. And soul does not have any death or soul does not have any decay. Only the body has the death or decay. So Vishnu is many, but he is only one. That means he is dividing himself and existing in all the beings, in all the three worlds. And he rules all of them without death and decay. So we'll be reaching the 20th Falastuti. न वासुदेव भक्तानाम अशुभं विद्यते क्वचित् जन्म मृत्युर्जरा व्याधि भयं नैवोपजायते इमं स्तवं मधीयाना श्रद्धा भक्ति समन्वितः युज्ये तत्त्वं सुखक्षान्ति श्रीधृति स्मृति कीर्तिभिः न क्रोधो न च मात्सर्यं न लोभो न शुभामतिः भवन्ति कृत पुण्यानां भक्तानां पुरुषोत्तमे दौस चन्द्रार्क नक्षत्रो कं दिशो दुर्महो दधिः वासुदेवस्य वीर्येण विधृतानि महात्मनः ससुरासुर गन्धर्वं सयक्षो रागराक्षसं जगद्वशे वर्ततेदं कृष्णस्य सचराचरम् इन्द्रियाणि मनो बुद्धि सत्त्वं तेजो बलं धृतिः वासुदेवात्मकन्याको क्षेत्रं क्षेत्रज्ञ एव च सर्वगमानामाचार प्रथमं परिकल्पते आचार प्रभवो धर्मो धर्मस्य प्रभुरच्युतः ऋषयः पीतरो देवा महाभूतानि दातवः जंगमा जंगमं चेदं जगत् नारायणोद्भवम् योगो ज्ञानं तदा सांख्यं विद्या शिल्पादिकर्म च वेदा शास्त्राणि विज्ञान एतत् सर्वं जनार्दनात् एको विष्णुर्महद्भूतं पृथग्भूतान्यनेकशः त्रिलोकान् व्याप्य भूतात्मा भुक्ते विश्वभुजव्ययः।